Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at an oil stock. Ooh, big bad oil. Yeah, who wants that? Dirty. No good. Oil. Wait, they're still making money. So, yes, oil good. Oil, we want oil. Yes. Dividend paying stocks. Looks good. Long-term prospects? Maybe in 50 years it wouldn't be good, but for the next 20, 30 years, I think we're in a good position, okay guys? No problems. Alright, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Make sure you join and subscribe my channel for real-time stock trades. Like this one. This is going to be a stock trade this week, maybe, potentially. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, technical indicator here says it's going down. Doesn't look good. Technical indicator here says it's going up, I guess. Although it's pretty much on the borderline. And right here it's riding above the averages. So, you know, that could be a bad thing. It always wants to revert back to average. So, maybe not. Maybe going down this week, potentially. Looks like their earnings have been pretty solid. Going up, right? Pretty good deal. Always good to see the trend upwards for earnings. Solid dividend paying stock, like I said before. It is definitely part of my dividend portfolio. You want to see my stock trades real time, like I said before, join up in the channel. Pretty cool. Pretty good deal. Go check it out. Alright. So right now, I think the stock is at a good location. It's been hovering around $10 for a long time. Okay, it's a $10 stock. Let's not get anybody. It's not going to 50 bucks, okay? And it's not going back to $5. So it might. It went down to $8.64. As high as 12. So it's like $10 plus or minus 2. Alright, so it's not a highly volatile stock. Pretty steady, good, solid dividend income paying oil stock. So I got it in my portfolio. Always looking for opportunities to add it. Is this the point? Maybe. Maybe not. Like I said before, you want to see my trades, click that join button, join up, and you can see them. Alright guys, that is all I have for today on this one. Good luck out there in the markets. Thanks for watching.